worry. This will be another mathematical riddle solving session with me. Okay, so focus over the diagram I am going to draw now. It's very interesting and it's very common. Actually, you have already come a number of this type of riddles, while if you are already added with different competitive exam groups in Facebook and other social media networks, so you have seen this is actually a troll of numbers. Okay, that's randomly generating different groups or in different Facebook groups or Facebook pages. So let's draw the diagram here. It is a smiling face. So there are three smiling faces you can see here, and adding these three smiling faces give a value 9. Now this one is a smiling face and this one is a normal face, whose value, addition of these two type of faces gives a value 13. Again a normal face and a dull face or gloomy face. Adding these two type of faces give a value that is 4. Now what will be the value of adding each type of emoticons? These are actually considered as emoticon. That is a very common term. You have already know what emoticons are. So what will be the value of addition of one dull face, one smiling face and one normal face? How do you calculate this? There is a logic of solving this type of problems. Okay, you have to know the art of solving that hidden logic. What you see in the first row, let's denote it as row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3 and this is row 4. So in case of row 1, what you actually see, there are 3 smiling faces whose value is 9. So 3 smiling faces gives the value of 9. So one smiling face equal to 9 by 3 equal to 3. In case of row 2, one smiling face plus one normal face equal to 30. Now the value of one smiling face equal to 3. So 3 plus 1 normal face equal to 13. So the value of one normal face becomes 13 minus 3 equal to 10. In case of row 3, already the value of one normal face is derived. So that is the value is 10. So 10, that is one normal face plus one dull face. 10 plus one dull face equal to 4. So the value of one dull face sorry, just a minute, it is not plus, it is minus. So equal to 10 minus 4 equal to 6. So we have already got the value of one smiling face, which is 3, one normal face, which is 10, and one dull face, which is 6. Now if we add all the values of 3 type of emoticons, what we actually get? We get the actual answer. So one dull face plus one smiling face plus one normal face equal to, just put the value of each emoticon here, that is 3 plus 10 plus, sorry, that is 6 plus 10 plus, just getting a bit of complex. So now one dull face equal to 6, one smiling face equal to 3, one normal face equal to 10. So 6 plus 3, 9 plus 10, 19. So question mark will be replaced by 19 to complete the emoticon riddle series. Hope you have got the logic. Practice this similar type of logics. You will get this, as I have already told, that you will, if you are joined with the different Facebook groups or pages or other social media channels you follow, you will get a different type of emoticon values, this type of math riddles. So practice and enjoy the series. Till then, bye bye.